Okay, guys, so update on Caitlin. We were just making a slide. Caitlin's right there. And actually, okay, I see them now. So they're right there. There's Brooklyn, and then KK's in front of him. So, yeah. Oh my god, they're literally right next to a cow. That's them. And then there's Zoe, and then those are the cows right there. And then there's Caitlin. I'm gonna go down, but I'm not gonna go, like, anywhere close to them. Okay, one's walking away. That one. Walking away, and it's coming towards me. Don't come near me. Don't come near me. Don't come near me. I'm harmless. Very harmful. Guys, I'll let you know when something happens. Don't mind the dirt on my face, but anyways, guys, bye-bye. Bye-bye.